How to fix if Wi-Fi not connecting with your iPhone or Wi-Fi connection failed in your iPhone. To fix this issue, the first and simple workaround is reboot your iPhone. Press and hold volume up key and home button simultaneously and it will switch off your phone, and again press and hold home button to turn on your iPhone. Sometimes start your iPhone can resolve various major issues such like Wi-Fi connection failed or any other issues. So once you must restart your iPhone. The second way to fix this issue is unlock your iPhone and enable or disable or enable flight mode. Go to your flight mode, first enable it and wait for some times and again disable aeroplane mode and check whether Wi-Fi connection established in your iPhone or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to settings of your iPhone, tap on it. Here, go to general settings, tap on general settings, and here you will find transfer or reset iPhone from the bottom of your iPhone. Select transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. Here, click on reset and choose reset network settings. Unlock your iPhone and finally tap on reset network settings. After that, check Wi-Fi connection will definitely be established in your iPhone and your problem of Wi-Fi not connecting resolved. That's all.